One would stay there.
Yeah, one going into Diz's.
Yeah.
And one going to you.
Well, I don't use them.
No, it's just to keep them apart.
Alright, is that right?
All three together.
That's why you get signals not everywhere. So you've got them all there. Yeah. Ah, maybe so it's all over the signal. Yeah, that's what's happening. It's not reaching there. That morning, I think we've had the problem. Yeah, it's happened. It's not office normal. This is on Lee, yeah, go on, Lee. Do that. Just do that one. See that one. That's the trigger.
I don't want to mess with them. I'm not an engineer. What I wanted to do is
What did you get for?
oh, it is. I've got these wheels which we were going to do before. Members of the
just wanted to talk to you. And I was thinking maybe later on we could get together for a while. And I'd love to see it tonight. We could go walking through Windy Park, take a drive along the beach, stay at home and watch TV. I say it really doesn't matter much to me. I'm not talking about money, and I don't want to change your life. 'Cause you're the